Welcome to do090.com, the app where you can get airtime and data faster and cheaper at wholesale rate. In this video, you will be learning how you can spin and earn, and even withdraw your earnings directly into your bank account. As you can see, we have tutorial videos on our app. Now let's get started. On the spin and earn page, you can earn daily rewards and bonuses, and you can even earn real cash, which you can withdraw directly into your bank account. As you can see on the page, you have to select the spin and earn type you want to do, because we have the free spin and the paid spin. As the name states, the free spin, you spin it for free and get daily rewards, but in the paid spin, you bet and then spin it and earn real cash which you can withdraw. The good news is that you can never lose in our spin and earn, that is, you either win or get refunded, because there is no losing option. That is good news, right? Now to get started, as I said earlier, you need to first of all, select the spin type. If your selection is the paid spin, then you need to input your bet stake amount. Then you click on the spin button to spin and start earning. So super simple. Now as shown on the screen, we are taking the free spin into example. You can see it as it spins and you can see the spin result. And from the pop-up dialog, you can read and understand what you have been rewarded with. Now that is for the free spin. Now let's try the paid spin and earn real cash without risk. As I said earlier, in the paid spin, you either win or get refunded. To try the paid spin, just select paid spin from the spin type option. Then input the amount you want to bet or stake, then start spinning. Let's watch how my spin goes. As you can see on the screen, I just won from the test example. And also as you can see, there is no losing option on the spin board. That means you either win or get refunded. So I see no reason why you should be scared in giving it a try yourself. So go ahead and try now. Start earning and enjoy. If you have any question, don't hesitate to click on the live chat support icon floating on the corner of the page to chat with us. A real human support agent will chat with you and help you out with anything you want. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like and follow. Don't forget that you can withdraw all your earnings directly into your bank account. Just go to your dashboard, then click on the Earn button, and on the page that follows, use the withdrawal form on the page to request payment. All withdrawals are processed automatically in less than a minute.